In today's video, we're going to talk about something that can truly change your life, building self-confidence and self-esteem. If you've ever doubted yourself, felt insecure, or hesitated to take action because you didn't believe in yourself, this self-confidence video is for you. By the end of this video, you will learn powerful, proven strategies to increase your self-confidence and self-esteem in order to start living the life you deserve. So, if you're ready to break free from self-doubt and become the best version of yourself, make sure to watch till the end. Before we start, take a moment to subscribe to our channel and drop a comment below in the comment section to help us share this important information to others who may be struggling. Okay, now let's get started. 1. Understanding self-confidence versus self-esteem. Before we dive into the solutions, let's first understand what we're talking about. Self-confidence is your belief in your ability to do things successfully. Self-esteem is how you see and value yourself as a person. Both are crucial to living a fulfilling life, but many of us struggle with them. 2. Why do we struggle with self-confidence? Have you ever wondered why confidence seems natural to some people but a struggle for others? Here are some common reasons people lack confidence. Fear of failure. We worry about making mistakes or being judged. Negative self-talk. The voice in our head tells us we're not good enough. Past experiences, failures or criticism from the past shape our beliefs. Comparing ourselves to others, social media makes it worse. Lack of preparation, not feeling skilled or knowledgeable. The good news: confidence isn't something you're born with, it's something you can build. 3. How to build self-confidence, step-by-step. Rewire your mindset. Your thoughts shape your reality. If you constantly tell yourself, "I can't," then you won't. Start replacing negative thoughts with positive ones. Use affirmations like, "I am capable," "I believe in myself," "I deserve success." The way you speak to yourself matters. Step 2. Step outside your comfort zone. Confidence grows when you challenge yourself. Start small, speak up in a meeting, try a new hobby, or talk to someone new. Every small win builds your confidence muscle. Step 3. Stop comparing yourself to others. The only person you should compare yourself to is who you were yesterday. Everyone has their own journey. Focus on your growth, not someone else's highlight reel. Step 4. Take care of yourself. Your physical and mental health play a big role in how you feel about yourself. Make sure to get enough sleep, exercise regularly, eat healthy foods, practice mindfulness or meditation. Step 5. Set and achieve small goals. Success breeds confidence. Set small, achievable goals and celebrate your progress. The more you achieve, the more confident you'll become. Step 6. Learn and improve. Confidence comes from competence. The more knowledge and skills you gain, the more you'll believe in yourself. Read books, take courses, practice your skills. Growth leads to confidence. 4. How to build self-esteem and truly value yourself. Practice self-compassion. Be as kind to yourself as you are to a friend. We all make mistakes. Learn from them and move forward. Surround yourself with positivity. Who you spend time with affects your confidence. Stay away from toxic people who bring you down and surround yourself with those who uplift and encourage you. Acknowledge your strengths. Make a list of things you're good at. Remind yourself of your achievements, big or small. You bring value to the world. Do things that make you proud. Take action on things that make you feel proud of yourself, whether it's learning a new skill, helping someone, or sticking to a habit. Every accomplishment adds to your self-worth. 5. Final thoughts. You are capable. Building confidence and self-esteem takes time, but the effort is worth it. Remember, confidence isn't about being perfect, it's about believing in yourself despite imperfections. You are stronger than you think, and you have everything within you to achieve greatness. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who needs a confidence boost. Also, Don't forget to subscribe for more motivational content. Leave a comment below. What is one step you will take today to boost your confidence? I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and remember, you are enough, you are capable, and you are unstoppable. See you in the next video.